everyone, it's Nick, aka Dad, and today we are not working on the Bronco. We're not working on my wife's minivan, but we have another family member who's in need of an install, so let's get started. Hey everyone, it's Nick, aka Dad, and like I said, we are not doing an install on Cap today. We are doing an install on my dad's pickup truck. Yep. My dad is due for an upgrade, and it's not anything with the engine or exhaust or electronics. It's his tonneau cover. Let me give you a little backstory. My dad has a 2016 Ford F-150 XLT Super Crew 5-foot 7-inch bed. So it is the shortest bed you can get on a Super Crew. Now, when he purchased that vehicle in 2016, he also got a Ford accessory. He got a roll-up tonneau cover. Now this was the type of tonneau cover that's vinyl, has the Velcro on the edges, and has about 4 or 5 ribs just to kind of give it some structure. Well, after about 9 years now, and the sun, the heat, the cold, everything we get here in Illinois, it's starting to deteriorate. The seams are kind of coming apart. He's got black Gorilla Tape holding some of it together now. So what I did was I've made some contacts, and one of them was my friend Eric, who works at Real Truck. And that's who's sponsoring this video today, because when I reached out to them, I told them what my dad had and what he was kind of looking for. And they gave me some great options. We settled on one, which we're going to show you here in just a little bit. We'll do the unboxing on it and kind of give you some information about the product, but also show you how to install it. Now, by what I understand, this install should be less than an hour. We're starting early in the day just because in Illinois now, we're getting up into the 70% humidity and being like 90-something degrees out. So try to get done early. But we're looking forward to it. Kind of kept me up last night because this is an upgrade my dad deserves, and I can't wait to do it. So let's get started. So here's what we got from Real Truck. This is from Truxedo. This is the Sentry CT. Now this thing is super sweet. This thing is a hard roll-up tonneau cover. Now if you don't know about hard roll-up tonneau covers, this takes the soft roll-up and just makes it even more secure. This thing has metal slats that will kind of interlock when you put it down into the flat position, but then those spots will actually roll up then as well, which we'll show you when we get done with the unboxing. And at the end, when you shut it on the very end of the tailgate, again, locks into place, turning basically your truck bed into a vault. And really, in essence, makes it more secure than leaving something in the cab of your vehicle, because basically someone could break a window, where with this, with a locking tailgate, it's going to be almost impossible to get into the truck. So we're going to unbox this thing, show you the pieces, and then we'll get to the install. And at the end, we'll show you what the end product looks like. And there's some really cool features to this thing we'll get into as we're installing it. So let's get with the unboxing and then with the install. So here is everything unboxed here pretty much, as far as we've taken off the lid, which is really nice that it goes over the sides, because I did see that one of the straps kind of went through the top of it. But yeah, you've got everything is black anodized or powder coated. Not quite sure how they do their process, but looks really good. Nice thing is that this Velcro, or the hook and loop that they have on this, sits at a different angle than some of your others out there to give you kind of a low profile and stealthy look to it. So sits really nice. Here's our strap that will hold the rolled up tonneau cover back. But everything's tucked under nicely. I mean, really, there's only the 2 rails, the cover itself, and a few clamps and hardware. So let me get this all laid out in the bed, show you everything that we've got. All right, so here's everything that you get in the box. Your 2 rails, we got passenger side, driver side. We got the tonneau cover itself, which is really cool. We've got 6 clamps, which actually are a lot smaller than what I remember from a lot of the older style that I've seen. And then we've also got some weather stripping that'll actually go up behind the cab, just because on the bed, you've got the bed caps on the F-150s here, and you want to make sure you have a level surface, so they give you this to put down at the bulkhead of the bed, just to make sure that it is nice and uniform to cross. The nice thing is you probably should use some isopropyl alcohol just to clean that off up there. Dad had the previous tonneau cover like I talked about, so we had a weather strip up there, so we cleaned that off. We'll put this down, make sure everything's right and tight, but you start off with the bed rails first. So we'll do the driver's side, passenger side, and then we'll get the bed cover put on along with the weather stripping up there. We'll get through this pretty quickly, hopefully, and then show you the end result. Cool thing is, though, as Dad and I were talking, it's got a cloth top to it, or what looks like a canvas top. You've got those metal slats below it for security, but the really neat thing is I'm looking forward to at least driving on some dirt roads at some point, because this is supposed to be dust resistant. And by what I've heard from some of the guys at Real Truck, their trucks have been super dirty, but the tonneau cover stays clean. That's really cool. Another great thing about the Century CT is it's got a 5-year hard parts warranty and a 5-year limited cover warranty. So really nice warranty on these things, and Real Truck has everything you need basically to upgrade your truck. So check them out. We'll put a link down below, but let's get on with this install. All right, so we got our driver's side bed rail in here. The foam spacers on the end, the directions actually require you or ask you to make sure there's 3/8 of overhang, which we probably have a little bit more than that on this one, which is okay. And then you want it, whoops, against the bulkhead of your bed. So you want to make sure it's pressed up again. And then you're going to use 3 clamps. Now they ask that you put the clamps 8 inches in from the tailgate side and 8 inches in from the cab side, and then equal it out for a center. So we're going to put in 3 clamps on the side, and you'll use a 1/2-inch wrench or socket to tighten those down, but really just start off by getting them finger tight and then move on from there. All right, now that we got our 3 clamps in, we measured, we had about 25-inch to center, so did that. And now that we have them all finger tight, you start from the middle to tighten them down. We'll get these all tightened up. We'll put on the other rail. Won't show you that. It's the exact same way as this one. But then we'll come back and we'll show you about putting on your weather stripping up here on the bulkhead near the cab. All right, well, we've got both rails installed. Just a quick note, something we found out. You start from the center and tighten them up. Well, make sure you just tighten the center up just a little bit. Don't really tighten it, because what will happen is the other clamps will start falling off because they're not quite tight yet. So just tighten that one up a little bit. Move to your front, your back and front, whatever you want to do, and just start tightening them up a little bit at a time, and then come back and do the middle, front and back. Makes it a little bit easier. You don't have to go back and put the clamps back on, but we got both sides in. Now we'll go up here to the bulkhead and put in our little weather stripping that we need to add. All right, so we've got our weather stripping, and you've got this little channel on it here. This goes towards the tailgate, so you want to make sure that this is up against your foam here, and then you're going to run it right along here, and we're just going to basically keep going down and pulling off this as we go, just to make sure we keep it, you know, pretty uniformed all the way across. So we'll get this installed and then show you the final result of this. All right, so you can see we've got our weather stripping in, and here is that little flap I was talking about going towards the inside of the bed. Pulled all the way down. It is nice to have Dad here to help me, because he can basically keep it straight while I push us down, just to make a good, nice, tight seal on this. So now that we got that in, we can now add the tonneau cover itself. All right, so we've got the tonneau cover in place, and under here, you've got that hole. And then this screw head needs to go through that hole. So I'm going to get down below, make sure we get that in here. And then this is your lock. Once you get this into place, you'll just slide this over and lock it, and it'll click. But you may need to push up on the rail itself to get that screw head to go through. So just something to think about when you're installing this. Now that we got the screw head through, you got this little slider here, you slide that over. Cool thing is, I was telling Dad about this, you've got this little lock here that's gonna pop down as soon as you get this over. So if you ever wanna remove this, it's pretty simple. You just push this back up, slide this back out. Same on the other side as well. You can take us off and have full open bed then. But totally up to you. The roll up is actually pretty far back as well. So you should have plenty of space for any kind of stuff you may be hauling. Well, that is the install. The nice thing is they actually tell you also how you can snap this shut. Now, they like it that your tailgate shut and then you've got a good seal. If you're not able to do that, you can still, just like most people do, just snap it down from in here, just pushing down. Once you hear it click, you're locked in. And then you've got the little pull rope down here on either side. It sits really snug to the top, so you might not be able to see it. Once you pull that down, locks back up again, roll it back up. But it's nice because you've got these locks right here on the end. Easier when you're in the center, but since I got my dad on the other side, he got that one locked in. It's got a nice thick weather strip here, so when Dad puts up his tailgate, it'll definitely keep it nice and secure, keep the elements out. The Velcro on the side is really strong, plus it overlaps. You've got this double seam of stitching on here, and it sits really low profile all the way across. So it almost looks like, probably from the side, like if you were in a car next to my dad in his truck, you wouldn't be able to tell it even had a tonneau cover. The material is really nice. It's kind of like a nylon canvas, but now he's got a secure vault. This is, like I said, is going to be even more secure than leaving something in the truck, because even if that's locked, someone could break a window. He has his tailgate up and the vehicle locked. The tailgate automatically locks as well. Now this thing is totally secure unless someone's able to pry this thing open or pry open the tailgate. I think it's a great option. I hope it gives Dad a long life, especially with the warranty on it. Looking forward to Dad driving down some dirt roads. I'd love to see how well this does against dust and dirt. But I'll give you my final thoughts on this super easy install of the Truxedo Sentry CT. All right, everyone, that's the installation of this Truxedo Sentry CT. This thing really, after Dad and I were talking, probably only took us about an hour, and probably could have gotten done a little bit quicker. Had to go back and do a couple things just to adjust it correctly, but it's super nice. You've got this really nice hard roll-up tonneau cover. It's got the slats underneath for security. It's got a good look. It still looks like a soft roll-up. It'll give him the ability to roll this thing up to put larger items in, but when he's away from the truck and has stuff in the bed, have it rolled down, tailgate's locked, nice and secure, becomes a vault. Even more secure, like I've said, than leaving something in your cab. So if you're looking for a roll-up tonneau cover, whether it's a soft or hard like the Sentry CT, check out Real Truck. They've got tons of options, great service, and amazing products. Hey, we appreciate you watching, as always. And if you're not a subscriber, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, because we're going to find more tips, tricks, and products that we use on our Bronco and F-150 that you can use on yours. As always, have a blessed day. Bye.